Talofa Lava, Samoa, and Samsung. My name is Scott Landry. I'm from Samsung New Zealand, and I've been working to help make Solve for Tomorrow a success in Samoa. Whawhetai, Honourable Minister Seuula Ioane, thank you so much for having us. It's been such a warm welcome in beautiful Samoa. It's my pleasure to have us all here today. Thank you for the wonderful hospitality that your team has shown us in helping to arrange today's meeting. Kamsahamnida, Mr. Ioane, Executive Chairman of Samsung Electronics, and thank you to the Samsung executive team for making time to travel here to be with us on this very special day, to sign the Samsung Solve for Tomorrow Memorandum of Understanding, which marks the first step in deploying Samsung Solve for Tomorrow here in Samoa. Samsung Solve for Tomorrow was established in 2010 to help foster creative and critical thinking to ensure the next generation are well equipped and proactive when solving real-world challenges. Since 2010, the program has been rolled out in 55 countries, and we've empowered 2.3 million students and teachers around the world. Today we are excited and grateful because with your help, Samoa will be the next country to join our program. It's truly a great initiative, and we really look forward to seeing the results here in Samoa. Now, I'd like to invite Mr. Sang Ho-jo, President and CEO of Samsung Electronics Southeast Asia and Oceania, if you would please like to come and share a few words with us.
Talofa lava, everyone, and thank you for the warm welcome and wonderful hospitality, Honorable Minister. I'm so grateful to have Executive Chairman Mr. Ioane grace today's meeting. Led by our corporate social responsibility vision, Together for Tomorrow, enabling people, we at Samsung are committed to using our innovative technology to build a better world. And we believe that it is also important to empower the next generation to achieve their full potential and pioneer positive social change to build a better tomorrow. One initiative is Samsung Solve for Tomorrow, which provides opportunities for youth globally to use their knowledge in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, also known as STEM, to create tangible solutions that can solve social challenges. On behalf of the Samsung, I would like to extend my heartfelt appreciation to the Samoan government for your support in launching the Solve for Tomorrow in Samoa. It is our hope that through this program, Samoan youth can gain problem-solving experience in their communities by developing their STEM skills and knowledge, and grow the leaders who will lead the sustainable development of the Samoa. As a firm believer in the potential of the youth across the world, Samsung will continue to support the next generation in Samoa to build a better tomorrow. Thank you very much.
Kamsahamnida, thank you, Mr. Sang Ho-jo. I'd now like to invite Honourable Seuula Ioane, Minister of Education, Sports and Culture, if you would like to share a few words with us.
Chairman Samsung Company Limited, Mr. Lee, Executive Vice President Seng Cho, dignitaries from Samsung Electronic Company Limited, senior officials of government, ladies and gentlemen, I extend to our distinguished visitors a warm welcome to Samoa, Talofa lava. Today is a new beginning for the youth of Samoa, particularly for those at the level of secondary education. Samsung Electronics, in close collaborations with the Ministry of Education, Sports and Culture, are open doors to innovation and promoting technology design, thinking and STEAM subjects in their secondary schools. Samoa is indeed happy to be part of the Samsung Solve for Tomorrow global project. The Samsung Solve for Tomorrow project will be an opportunity for Samsung and Pacific countries like Samoa to exchange collaborations towards improving the quality of education outcomes for future generations. From innovative solutions from the youth of today, we see that a growing number of Pacific countries are becoming part of the global project. Samoa has a largely youthful population. However, many are not able to access meaningful employment opportunities. Perhaps this is a challenge that we can ask our youth to creatively generate solutions for the Ministry of Education, Sports and Culture. Will do its best to socialize the program throughout all secondary schools in the country. I'm so pleased to sign the Memorandum of Understanding on behalf of the Government of Samoa. In closing, I thank Samsung for choosing to work with Samoa in this project through the Ministry of Education, and Samsung selected partners for project implementation and delivery. We look forward with great anticipation to successful outcomes of the Solve for Tomorrow project. Samoa chapter. Thank you, Soifua.
Whaafetai, Honourable Minister. I'd now like to ask Mr. Hyung Chun and the Honourable Minister to please both sign the documents in front of you